If the temperature drop across the coil remains too low after cleaning and repairs, treat it as an unresolved performance issue that requires systematic troubleshooting. Start by rechecking refrigerant pressures with a gauge set and compare measured high and low side readings to the manufacturer's specification for the refrigerant charge and ambient conditions. If pressures are low, perform a careful leak test using a sniffer or soap solution and repair any leaks before adding refrigerant. Always recover and recharge to the exact charge weight when required. Inspect for hidden duct leaks by pressurizing the system briefly at the air handler with a low-speed fan and feeling for leaks at seams and joints, or by using a simple smoke pencil if you have one. Sealing visible leaks with foil tape or mastic improves airflow and coil effectiveness. Make sure return and supply vents are fully open and unobstructed, and verify blower motor speed is correct by observing static pressure or listening for abnormal sounds. An underperforming blower reduces coil delta T. Measure indoor humidity with a reliable hygrometer because high humidity can reduce apparent temperature drop even when the system is otherwise functional, and lower the thermostat set point during testing to get a clear reading. Finally, confirm the coil is not bypassing air through a misaligned damper or short circuit in the duct layout, and check for a frozen or partially iced coil, which indicates either insufficient airflow or a refrigerant issue. Common mistakes include assuming a clean coil guarantees proper delta T, which misses low refrigerant charge. The fix is to validate pressures and charge by weight against specifications. Another issue is overlooking duct leakage or closed vents, which you can solve by inspecting and sealing ducts and ensuring all vents are open for balanced airflow. Third is neglecting indoor humidity and airflow balance. So measure humidity and verify blower operation and damper positions to restore proper sensible cooling. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for projects and troubleshooting advice related to cooling systems and more. On our site, we host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real-world experiences, ask questions, and find practical guidance.